Hello, lovely stitchers. Welcome to Hazel Embroidery. I'm Ritu Jain and I'm so happy you are here. Today we'll learn the running stitch. To begin, bring your needle up through the fabric at your starting point. Move forward a short distance and take the needle back down through the fabric. Bring the needle up again a little further ahead and continue making evenly spaced stitches. Repeat this process to create a series of small stitches and spaces. Try to keep the stitches and spaces as even as possible, but don't worry about perfection. With practice, your stitches will naturally become more uniform. Running stitch is wonderfully versatile. It can be used for outlines, borders, decorative patterns, and even as a foundation for other embroidery techniques. For smoother curves, make smaller stitches, and smaller stitches help create graceful lines and rounded shapes. Remember not to pull the thread too tightly. Keep an even tension will help your stitches lie flat and create a neat appearance. Here's our completed running stitch. Simple, timeless, and incredibly useful. This is a stitch you will find yourself using again and again throughout your embroidery journey. I hope you enjoyed learning the running stitch. Happy stitching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.